Hey guys, Glenn here. Hey, listen, I'm at my Michelle's stepfather's house and setting up a TV antenna for him. Right now, I'm using just this little tiny stick right here, and here's what I'm getting for a signal. I don't have a meter to tell me what I'm getting, but it's coming in really good. I am on channel, let me just change this. I don't have the remote yet. He can't find the remote, so I need to go, okay. Here's 15.1. This is out of Boston. I'm up here in Fall River, and I'm on the, as you can see, if you look out here, I'm on the 10th floor in his apartment building. And so this is what he's getting for, this is Boston. Providence coming even better. I got a couple more antennas to try. I'm going to try this Clearview flat wave antenna. It's just this square flat thing. I know this will work because that little stick's working, not amplified. Then I did buy this to put up, which is probably what I'm going to do. This is the Clearstream 1 Max, not amplified. This one's amplified. I'm going to use the amplifier from this, which I'm probably going to try that in a minute with this antenna. All right, so I'll let you know how things work out, but as you can see, great picture. Hey, let me just rotate this for you. Look at that. It's great. I love it. So I'm jealous. All right. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so now I hooked up an amplifier, okay? It came with the Clearview. This is this white with that white plug plugged in down there. So this is the amplifier. As you can see, it's okay. So now there were some channels that were not coming in so hot. Let me see if it cleared them up. Okay, let's come down. Oh, I'm gonna go the other way. All right, some of the Providence stuff further away was breaking up. Wow. This is great. All right, I was on here. I'm on charge, and it was kind of pixelating and breaking up. And look at it now. And that's just with that little tiny stick. All right, so I'm going to go run a channel scan, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I get into the channel scan, and we'll see if we get any more channels. I got 49 originally. Let's let this come up and see what we're getting besides what was already there. Okay, we got 4 so far. First time I got 2. So I've gotten 2 right off the bat. Now, when I get up past around 60-something%, nothing more is going to come in. So let's see how we gain. I got 49 the first time. Now that I added this little amplifier, ooh, got 12. Wow, it's getting even better. This will be great. We'll let this keep going here, and we'll see how we do. We got 21. Wow. And I'm only at 29%. 27. I'm liking this. See, this is the advantage to when you live in a building like this, big high-rise. You're up above everything. There's nothing blocking your signal. So I think her stepfather is going to be very happy with this. Goodbye, Comcast. His bill went up from $160-something a month to, I don't know, I'll have to ask him when he comes back. Probably say $180, $190-something. And he's only got TV and phone, that's it. So he's going to be very happy when he sees this. Got 35. We'll see what happens. I got 49 before without anything. This amplifier did make a difference. It did pull the signal up better. Okay, I got 46. And we're at 47%. Not bad. Okay, we're 50%, and we got 50 channels. We got 1 more better so far. This is nice. If anything, it cleared the channels up. I got an extra channel out of it, and it looks like it's done. So I got one extra channel, and I cleared them up. All right, so we're going to do this, and then I got 2 more antennas to try to see how it looks. Probably I'm going to skip that flat one. I'm going to go right to the big one, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to let this finish scanning, and we'll get back to the channels and see how it looks. I'm going to put up that clear view that I have. I think it's clear view, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we're all set. All right. So now let's go ahead and let's...
In your state, in your nation.
Okay.
Just knowing that you have the
Okay.
power, or you should have had the power.
Okay. Let's go up some channels. This is 2 point... All right. Let me come down. This is... All right. We're getting 2.2. Okay, that's channel 2, PBS. Let's go up 2.3. Okay, let's just turn this a little bit so you can see it. Actually, let's get it over here. Okay, 4.1, channel 4 out of Boston. Okay, 4.2, another one from Boston, WBZ. 4.3. Okay, it's called Fave. Must be a new channel. They must have added this. I didn't see this yet. I'll have to check when I get home. That's 4.4. Now we're channel 5, 5.1. Wow, nice and crystal clear. Here's 5.2 Me TV. There we go. Okay, now we've got 5.3, which is called Story. Okay. 6.1 WLNE out of Providence. Now we've got 6.2 WLNE out of Providence. 6.3 Providence WLNE. 6.4 WLNE, so there's 4 Providence channels here. Okay, here's channel 7, WHDH in Boston. Now the antenna's not in Boston. I hope you know that. 7.2, it was this was all part of WLNE. Wow. 10.1, okay, so here's what we were on before. Yeah, break it up a little bit again. Although it did clear up, let's see what happens.
But we'll give you credits.
Yeah, it's still breaking up a little bit. I'm definitely going to put the big antenna up. 10.2. Okay. 10.3. Comet. Yep. All right, so I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and get the other antenna set up, and we'll go from there. All right, see you, everybody. All right, I went ahead and I decided to try this flat antenna. So far, we got 5 channels, and let me just show you. That's the antenna I just put up. I just temporarily stuck it up in the air somewhere. Just going to see what we're going to get. We're 11% with 9. So we got a total of 50 on the little antenna. Let's see what we get on this. At 15%, we got 9 channels. Oh, we jumped up to 13 at 17%. Okay. Now we're at 22%. We still got 13. Oh, jumped up to 21. Okay. That would actually match his wall. It's white if I had a way to attach it. I could just attach it to the wall. I didn't bring any tape or anything. I'm probably going to put the big antenna just so he gets really good stuff. We got 30 channels at 30%. Not bad. Let's see. So let's see what's out of these 2 antennas, which is the better of the 2. We'll see if it jumps up at all. Oop, 34 at 34%. I like that. 35, 38. Okay. Now we got 37% still at 38. We'll see. I'm kind of liking this. Okay, we're at 43% at 38%, 38 channels. 45 at 47%, 49. Okay. But the other one's VHF, UHF, and I don't think this one is. Oh, 58. Ooh, that's even better. It's already beat the other antenna by 8 channels. Looks like it's going to be at about 8 more channels. I'm going to go back to 10.1 and see how that comes in. I've got a universal remote coming for this. It's on its way. Michelle and her stepfather went to Walmart and picked one up. So they were checking out, and we'll see if that remote works. Yeah, he's topped out at 58. 8 more channels with a flat. Not bad. Okay. Let's change this back. Okay. So let's go. All right. Let's go up in channels. Oops, I don't want that. Okay, let's go to 10.1. See how 10.1 comes in now. Then I got another channel I want to try. Well, let's try 2. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, it did clear up. Hey, look, it's Danny Partridge. Okay, so let's just see if Boston 25 comes in. That's what I'm interested to see. It wasn't coming in with the other antenna. Let's see if we're getting Boston 25. Their antenna is located, I believe, in Dedham. Oh, look at this. Boston 25. Wow, that made a difference. Okay. Well, I'm going to get the big antenna set up, and we'll use that. That way he'll get a good signal. All right, guys. I'll be back. All right, everybody. I'm home. I couldn't finish the video. Let me just tell you how it turned out. That Clearstream 1 Max antenna, without an amplifier, only 8 channels. And it didn't do any better with the amplifier. So, nope. The flat antenna worked out the best, and that's what I left them with. So, yeah, that's it. So if you're living where you're real near a bunch of stations, real close, one of those flat antennas that you can stick in a window or on a wall will work great. They're cheap enough. They're like $20. So check them out. All right, guys. Catch you in the next video. See ya.